Taxpayers registered under Composition Scheme can file for voluntary withdrawal from this scheme if one or more of its terms are no longer fulfilled and register as normal taxpayers. This video will walk you through the steps to voluntarily withdraw from the Composition Scheme. To begin, access the GST portal www.gst.gov.in and log in with your user ID and password. Next, open the Services menu. Click the Registration category and select the Application for Withdrawal from Composition Levy option. This will open the form that is required to be filled for intimation or application for withdrawal from composition levy. In this example, let's assume that the taxpayer has exceeded the prescribed threshold limit and therefore wants to withdraw from the composition scheme. Hence, I'll go ahead and enter the date on which the turnover exceeded threshold limit and select that as the reason for withdrawal from the composition scheme. Please note that taxpayers can withdraw from the composition scheme due to various other reasons, such as voluntary withdrawal, even if they are fulfilling the terms of this scheme, supply of goods or services, or both that are outside the scope of composition scheme, interstate supply of goods through e-commerce operator, manufacture of notified goods, or reasons other than those listed here. Withdrawal can be done from current date as well as from a previous date. Once done, click the checkbox against verification statement to affirm and declare that the information provided is correct and that nothing has been concealed therefrom. Next, select the name of authorized signatory and enter the place of business. The designation of authorized signatory and the date field will get auto-populated. Finally, save your application and file it using either DSC, EVC or e-sign options. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll click the Submit with DSC button. Accept the warning message. Select My Registered DSC and click the Sign button. The system will display a confirmation message indicating that the withdrawal application from the composition scheme has been successfully submitted with DSC. It's that simple.